Hi guys, I hope you are doing good. On this video I'll be sharing with you a simple recipe of how I make my porridge smooth and not too thick. And guys, this recipe was shared to me by my grandma, and let's get into it. And first thing first, this is the flour that I'm going to be using, and this is a mixture of the flours that I have listed for you on the screen. And I'm just going to show you like my water ratio, how I measure it. So this is 3 cups of water, cold water. If you're making 3 cups of cold water, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of flour, of any porridge flour that you're going to use. And I have used this recipe for many types of flour, and it works perfectly. If you do not like thick porridge, guys, this is what you gotta do. So after measuring my 3 cups of water, I went ahead and measured 3 tablespoons of flour, guys, and to that I added like half a cup of cold water, and I'm going to give this a good mix. Just ensure that no lumps are being formed at this point. And to get smooth and porridge that doesn't have any lumps, this is a crucial stage. Mix everything nicely, ensuring that it is smooth like I mentioned. As for the water in my sufuria, I'm just going to let it boil before going in to add my porridge mixture. And I would like to know in the comment section whether you prefer thick porridge or thin porridge. In my case, like mentioned before, I don't like thick porridge. So let's wait for the water to boil, and then I'll be coming back with the next step. And at this point the water is boiling, so go ahead and quickly add the porridge mixture, the flour mixture, giving it a quick mix, ensuring that no lumps are being formed. Guys, this is a crucial step again if you do not want to make any lumpy porridge. So give that a quick stir like you see on the video, and everything here is self-explanatory. So just give it a good mix until the porridge starts to boil. If you leave it at this point, guys, you're going to get lumps in your porridge. So like you see, just continue stirring. And once the porridge starts to boil, to bubble up like you see here on the video, now you can leave it to continue boiling for around 10 minutes to 15 minutes on low flame. Guys, I never cook my porridge on high flame. I prefer low flame. And I do this just to ensure that the ingredients cook fully, especially because this flour is a mixture of many flours like I mentioned before. So I let it boil for some time. 10 minutes later, I went ahead and added milk. Now this is optional, you do not have to do it. I added a half cup of milk, and I'm just adding gradually a little amount at a time, not adding all of it at once, just to see the consistency of the porridge. And I was okay with this consistency at this point. And this recipe goes perfectly well when you're cooking porridge for children, or even for the family, for people who do not like fermented porridge. I did another recipe of fermented porridge recipe. I'm just going to link it in my description box, so be sure to check that out. Again, just give it a mix, ensuring that everything is incorporated together. When it starts boiling again, now you can leave it to continue cooking for another roughly 5 minutes. And at this point, guys, go ahead and add sugar, the amount that you prefer. And some people do not add sugar to their porridge, but I do to mine. So now that depends on your preference. And then you're going to give that a good mix, just ensuring that the sugar incorporates nicely into the porridge. And also leave it to cook for roughly 1 minute, just until the sugar is fully cooked. And this is the consistency that I like for my porridge, guys. So at this point, after the sugar is fully cooked, the porridge should be ready. Guys, this porridge is so good. I love it so much. Like you can see, it's not too thick, it's not lumpy. And I would like for you to try out this recipe if you like porridge, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Bye bye.